Alright, so we got this long opportunity. We're looking at an here on S&P 500. Two contracts. Gonna take one off at 1, the other one off at 2. Looking for this to go up to 87.25. Life day trader here. Gonna watch how we make our profits here. So 50 on one. Looking for 100 on the other. And if we had a third lot, which we could probably add a third position if it comes back. We'll see if I want to do that. But gonna look to take profits here on one. You'll see it happen here in just a second. This should go bullish up into 87.25 is the target. Zoom into this so you guys can see. But before we do that, you can see that the market came down, pulled back, wanted to see it hold underneath 81 for a continued push lower, but it didn't do that. Failed and then pushed up higher, breaking structure and coming back into the bullish structure. So one taking off, looking for the second one here. Profit. If I had a third target, I'd hit that 87.25, but it's okay. Two targets. Just got to take our profits where we can. So here we come. 84.50 is the next profit target. Should be able to take that right up into that area. Looking for that too. Patience and discipline. You can see what happened here. Gonna draw out for you guys so you guys can learn structure here. Support 81. We've been playing off that level all morning. Price finally broke structure and pushed underneath. Now 81 is the area that we should have brought it lower, and we did brought it underneath into 74, but we wanted to bring it even deeper to our next level of 64. As long as price stayed underneath 81, but it didn't. You can see as we highlight this, one peak, two peaks, price broke up, breaking structure, coming right back, creating a continued higher low here, and that's why we're targeting this 2-point move right into this area here at 84.50. And you can see off of the other one we took our $50. This one's going to be $100 profit. There we go, and we're done. We're done with two lots. Again, out of our session, really not going to be trading the majority, the bulk of what we got, but you could see what we just did there, taking our profits there and making it look kind of easy on a different session. Again, this is the Asian session, so it's definitely going to be moving slower, but you could see what we did here as we had our profits taken pretty quickly in the Asian session. US session, we had a good trading day today at the US session. A couple of trades from our support areas. Definitely, I know a couple people in the room were profitable along with us, taking our discipline and patience to a next level and making sure we profit on our trades. You can see this here, more than likely should press to the upside, retesting 87.25. But that wraps it up. Another day in the life of a day trader. Take care, guys. Again, if you guys want to learn how to trade successfully, making a couple quick $100 a day, again, yeah, you don't even really need a 9 to 5 doing this stuff. Make $200, $300, $400 a day, maybe even more, a couple thousand, depending on how much lots you can scale up. But it's pretty quick. You can see didn't last too long, a couple minutes here, and we've already made our $150 in and out of the market. So again, if you want to learn to trade, join us at Pure Structure Trading. Love to help you guys out. Take care, guys.